Did you know that one of history's most impossible escapes happened when an entire nation was trapped between an army and a sea? 400 years. That's how long the Israelites lived as slaves in Egypt. When God finally freed them through Moses, they thought their troubles were over. But as they traveled toward the promised land, Pharaoh changed his mind. He sent his entire army racing after them with horses and chariots. The Israelites found themselves in the worst possible place. Behind them, soldiers ready to kill or capture them. In front of them, the Red Sea with no way across. They were completely trapped with nowhere to run. But God told Moses to raise his staff over the water. Suddenly, the sea split apart, creating walls of water on both sides. The people walked across on completely dry ground, while the sea stood like giant walls protecting them. When the Israelites reached the other side safely, the waters crashed down on Pharaoh's army. When you feel trapped with no way forward, remember this: God specializes in making ways where there seems to be no way.